Hi there. The gut brain connection is a powerful force influencing your overall health and well being. Chronic stress can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to digestive issues and accelerated aging. Let's explore how to nurture your gut health and reduce stress. My name is Arshad, your partner in the journey to a younger and healthier you. Did you know that your gut health is intimately connected to your overall well being and appearance? Chronic stress can disrupt this delicate balance, accelerating aging. Let's explore how to nurture your gut health and reduce stress. Tip number one, prioritize gut friendly food. The importance of gut microbiome. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. This ecosystem plays a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even mood regulation. A diverse and balanced gut microbiome is essential for optimal health. Nourish your gut with fiber, probiotics, and prebiotics. Let's explore them. Number one is fiber. This indigestible carbohydrate acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. It's advisable to incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes into your diet. Number two is probiotics. These live bacteria can help restore balance to your gut microbiome. Include yogurt, kimchi, and other fermented foods in your diet. Prebiotics. These are the fuel for probiotics. They're found in foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and asparagus. Fermented foods are packed with probiotics and offer additional health benefits. They can improve digestion, boost immunity, and even enhance nutrient absorption. So, to summarize, consume a diet rich in fiber, probiotics, and prebiotics found in foods like yogurt, kimchi, and leafy green vegetables. These beneficial bacteria support gut health and overall well being. Tip number two is manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can disrupt your gut microbiome and contribute to digestive problems. To counteract this, incorporate stress management techniques into your daily routine. Number one would be meditation and mindfulness. These practices help calm the mind and reduce cortisol levels, a stress hormone that negatively impacts gut health. Deep breathing. Simple deep breathing exercises can activate the relaxation response and elevate stress. Practice deep, slow breaths throughout the day to reduce tension. Yoga and Pilates. These gentle exercises combine physical movement with mindfulness, benefiting both body and mind. Regular practice can help improve flexibility, strength, and reduce stress. Physical activity, which is engaging in activities you enjoy, whether it's jogging, hiking, swimming. Exercise helps release endorphins, reducing stress and improving mood. In short, implement stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to reduce cortisol levels, which can negatively impact gut health. Engage in regular physical activity to help manage stress and improve digestion. Tip number three would be adequate sleep. Prioritize quality sleep as it plays a crucial role in gut health and stress management. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine and create a sleep conducive environment. Nourish your gut, reduce stress, and unlock your youthful potential. Subscribe to my channel for more gut health tips. Like, comment, and share this video. And also, I've given a link in the description below of a complete free masterclass for anyone looking to start the reverse age journey. Thank you so much.